Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss about with the self join in continuation of the join series. So self join is self join when you join a table to itself. So to itself means we have join we have table one table only. There is no two tables in this concept. So we have original table. That table only we had to join itself. That is called as self join. So here we'll look into one example. Right now, I'm executing one uh, scenario. I will drop the table first and create the table employee master. So in this symbol, I had taken as ID, name, salary, and manager ID. Just insert a few records. I have inserted as how many records? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records I have inserted and execute the table. So 5 rows. So if you look into the table, so I have the ID, name, salary, manager ID is there. Just look into one scenario query. Write a query to display the employee name. Write a query to display the employee name and their corresponding manager name. Like to display the employee name. For example, I have the name called as John Smith and their corresponding manager name. So John Smith manager name we have to display. So how we can display the John Smith manager? Okay, let's check. So first I have the ID. So this is ID called as the its employee ID. Name. Name is employee name. Salary. So employee salary. Manager. So for this ID 1, John Smith manager ID is 3. So this manager ID 3. So manager ID 3. So manager is also one of the employee in part of our organization. So we'll check with manager ID 3. So ID 3 called as what is the manager name? Manager name is Tom Lanon. Okay. So John Smith manager name is Tom Lanon. So we need to display John Smith, Tom Lanon, Jane Anderson, Tom Lanon. So Jane Anderson also ID 3 manager ID. So for Jane Anderson also manager is Tom Lanon. For Tom Lanon manager is 4. Ane Kunur. Ane Kunur manager ID is null. So she has no manager. Jeremy York is 1. So 1 means John Smith is the manager of Jeremy York. So we had to display that details. Okay. So how we'll write the first simple way? So first we'll write as select from and join. Okay. So first I will try the join by using left join. Okay. I will try to write the join. Select from join. So from is I will write as employee master. Join I will write as employee master. For just identification purpose, alias names we had to give as simple as much as the relation between the tables. Okay. So relationship is we have the query is employee name and manager name we want. So like first in our original table called as both are original tables only. Okay. So employee master is our original table. So I will give the alias name is emp because we want employee name. And similarly, employee master join mng. So mng called as manager on. So here the condition. So this condition we need first to employee name. So employee name called as on emp. So once I know the employee of ID, okay. So employee ID 1 John Smith, then manager. So the manager is 3. So then emp dot manager ID equal to mng.id. So mng means, so in manager table, mng.id. So simple way, employee.manager ID equal to manager.id. Then we will find the manager name. And here I have written the select clause. So emp.name as employee name, mng.name as manager name. Okay. So we need employee name first. So emp.name as employee name and their corresponding manager name. So mng.name as manager name. Okay. If I execute this part, how I get the records? 4 records. Okay. So John Smith manager is Tom Lanon, Jane Anderson, Tom Lanon, manager is Anne Cornur, Jeremy or John Smith. That is fine. But I hope one record is missing, right? So here in this table, 5 records I have. So one record is missing. That is Anne Kunur. So if you check with the Anne Kunur is available or not available. For employee of Anne Kunur manager is available. So manager position. Anne Kunur is also employee, right? So this record is not available because of we are doing the join. So if we do the left to join, okay, I'll get the 5 records. So this is the simple way we'll do with the self join. For example, I want only who, whoever the whoever not acting the manager. Okay, so whoever not in the position of the manager. So I mean, who are not acting, not that one. So who have no managers. Okay, who does not have the managers? Then those records we have to display. Who does not have the manager's callers? So I will write the where condition. So where manager name. So Anne Kunur is not a manager. I mean, Anne Kunur has no manager. Who does not have the managers? So Anne Kunur has no manager assigned. So where mng.name is null. So we'll get the who does not have the manager list. Okay, so this way we will get the self join by using to identify the manager names. Okay, so simple thing. So only we need to apply this condition manager, sorry, on employee.manager ID equals to manager.id. Then we will get the list of all the self join. So the table is to be one single table only. So this complete table. So this table will do the renaming emp and mng for our identification purpose. Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content.